No longer let's see money vlog.
If you get a park on the left hand side lower down,
Look him.
you go walk to that lens because lens is right.
I don't think we gonna get.
I don't think we're gonna get any posing to park. Hi the berries. As I would have seen, I was out with Kafili and Mommy this morning. I just went into like the tip of Charlotte Street just to get something because I'm going to be doing crochet braids in my hair. I may do a video on it, I'm not too sure, but I doing it with normal Kanakalan braid in here because I ain't got crochet braids money. Because a pack of crochet braids, like a proper pack of crochet braids, is like close to $50 and them thing doesn't come with plenty hair in it, so you spend like a lot of money getting the packs of hair, and I ain't got no time for that. I ain't had the money for that, so I had to go and get another pack of the braids. I have 1 pack and a half at the moment, so I just need to get the next one just in case. And then in Lynn's, it had some real nice headbands and they were cheap. I think I'll be buying my headbands there from now on because I bought one in Pennywise and it was like $20 something. Now granted, it's good quality and I think it is a local brand, but I ain't got no time for that. So I got these 3. They had some nice ones. So I got this one. It didn't have any black and I really annoyed because I wanted a black, but it had this one and all of them were $12. This one, and I got this blue. This blue one was nice. And then for the hair, when I crocheted into like layers and stuff, I bought a hair cutter. So yeah, that's all I bought. And I bought a brush for Kafili. And yeah, all of them come to $103. All of how? But anyways, yeah. So I made a separate video. I'm not too sure, cause of course, but I got like soul set on melee to do one thing. But I might do right here actually, cause the lighting okay outside, and I wouldn't have set up my ring light and all that, so I could just do it right here and call her Georgia. So I may actually really actually do it. But yeah, let's see what today brings. Yeah, welcome back to our weekly vlog. Sis is on her way to the grocery. Oh, my head is scratching, man. I do some crochet last night. I still had to finish it because I started the bulk, the hair. Because as you all know, braiding hair is like, it's come out poof, you know. So I started to bulk it and flat iron it and cut it because I don't want it this long. I want it like up to right by, like above my boob. And I'm going to curl the ends and thing. It's going to look so cute. But anyways, yeah. So let's go with the little hairstyle for the next 4 weeks. I'm going to try to stretch it for 4 weeks. And see how it goes. Because I had some braiding hair home day and I was like, I don't feel like spending like $50 something for a pack of actual like crochet braids. Because they have, you know, they have the particular braids they done pre-looped and everything for you. But I was like, nah. I already had a pack of braiding hair there. So I was like, we're gonna do this. Gonna try to get the next one. But spending $35 better than spending $50 something on one pack of hair. So yeah. So that is that. But I'm going to the grocery. Today is Good Friday. Happy Good Friday, peeps. I have to I had to collect some hot cross buns that I ordered. And when I'm going to the grocery, I told you. And I want to go back home and clean. Just pass a little mop and a broom, you know, the usual. Because the house basically clean already, just, you know, tidy up. Finish filming this video because all you go see this video as in the hair video Friday. Please go on. Yeah. And yeah. Or this vlog gonna be lit because we're going to the beach Easter Sunday, please the Lord, and it's gonna be a vibe. Okay. So yeah, and then tomorrow I'll go in Price Mart to get some meat and stuff. Well, not meat, but fish and thing. So yeah, Sis got her hot cross buns. I ordered from Taking Everything Personal. So let's see how they look. I ordered a dozen because I gave mommy and them half a dozen. And I keep it the next half. Oh, look at my little bun on them. They're too cute. Yeah. Right, so I gave mommy half and I keep it the next half. So shit's be boiling. Fig, potato and sweet potato, Christophine, and then I have my stuffies cut up here for the saltfish. Saltfish soaking. I soak it twice, take out all that salt, then I boil the shit out of it. And there's the 2 tuna peas, and that's it. Food will be finished just now. And I need to finish so I could go and finish my head and finish that video for y'all. So yeah. Hello munchkin, so it's just me here checking in on the little vlog and thing. I ain't too long finished cooking. So I now start to like style my hair because I blow dried just now. And also I style, and I was like, cause I never use braiding hair before to do crochet braids. I use the Mali hair. So I know I could do that now, boys. So I now flat iron it and I was like, but wait. Next time I flat iron it and I can't get the curls that I want to the end. So I flat iron the back. Well, these little pieces in the back, and I put the perm rods on the ends, and I have some water hotting because I need to make sure after I flat. But what is this? Because I need to make sure after I flat iron this head that I am able to get the ends to curl with the hot water. Because if I can't, then sis will have to rethink this whole hairstyle. Hot mess, you know, hot mess. But yeah, we shall see. Well, I really struggle with this hairstyle, but it come out real nice. I ain't gonna lie, like I really like how it comes out. Yeah. Hi babes, and welcome back to the channel. It's a new day, it's a new vlog. Yeah. So yeah, I just put my hair up in a ponytail because all the place hot outside. So I put it up in a ponytail, put my cute little headband, all cute. Anyways, yeah. So basically I waited on my man to come. I want to go and get my eyebrows waxed because all this ain't it, like no. So I'm gonna do that, and then we had to go price mart to get some stuff. And I think my sister had to go somewhere to do something. But and I want to see if I could go and get an eyebrow pencil or just like a pencil to do my eyebrow. We go see. Doubt it very much, but we go see. But I now need to get these eyebrows waxed to, you know, be normal now, boy. But anyways, all this, so I'll pick all the back up in the reach. Long time only in Sicily. Yes. Can we say hello to the peoples? Although they see a whole weekend last weekend.
Hello.
And well, mommy in the front day, she can really. You see? Watch. Okay. So say do so. Anyway, so yeah, so we on our way. And yeah. It's 75 gil.
Oh, 75.
I thought it was a picture. It was laughing. It's only funny. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm trying to record.
You go ahead. Show down there.
Are you mad?
Get bite from sandfly. I don't know if you can see that. All them little dots. This, only this. Says get good bite.
Good for you, Jennifer. Good for you.
The blessing them surround way. So again,
Yeah.
hello.
Don't stop, eh?
Don't stop.
I sitting around here, you know. You realize that it's out of consciousness. No, but I listen now. I just close my eye now.
Gabby, does she mind about this spicy ramen challenge, Gabby? Look at your face.
I don't like my I guess no one fortunately they know who's the alcoholic in the family.
Which is me.
I was wondering why he's reading.
I feel like if I go and get something, but I don't think so because I'm on the sunscreen, but I hope not. Why do I feel like this? Bitch. Huh? Really? Take your time. Oh, Sky! I know this Sky! You just bite.
Good morning, babies. So I am here just to end off this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys, well, tomorrow in the next video, but next week in the next weekly vlog.